Hi guys, for today's video I will be showing you the best way to get research points, company coins and nuts. And yeah, because of the new, just all the stuff on your watch, currency on your watch. So first thing you want to do, because of the revamp, you can't do any glitches to get to that bit where the caves are, mines. So recommend getting a light and a pickaxe or any mining tool. I don't mind. Then you want to come down the tree, jump down to mine. Oh my gosh, not mines, sewers. Then when you come down here, watch out for the mimic. You want to turn right, and then there's just a bunch of stuff you can mine here. And then company coins. I'm trying to get the extra hit slot, the left hit slot. So yeah, mine this. From that, you want to go all the way down. Watch out for that. And then you want to turn right to here. Watch out for these. You don't want to hit them. That'll kill you. Then mine all this. All the nuts. You'll get a bunch of nuts here. This area is one of the best. Yeah, this area where the red light, green light is the best, in my opinion, area to go. Yeah, mine this. I'm not gonna mine all of it. Just wanna mine a few because it'll be a long video. Okay. Come on, kill it. There we go. Oh, more company coins. Yeah, this area, it'll give you, it kind of grows. It. Oh, shoot, got a bag. No, don't matter. Why is it so infested now? Boy, it wasn't that bad. You wanna, don't touch the red stuff. And you'll come over here. And then I'll tell you when to turn off your light because there's the haunted mansion ghost. So you want to come down here. Don't fall here because you'll have to restart it because you'll die. So you're going to follow where I go. Go over here. And then go all the way up here. And you're going to jump down to here. Go through this tunnel. This bit you want to turn off your light. This is where the ghost is. So you don't want to die here. Well, it normally spawns, it might not, but probably will. So yeah, you want to come over here, you see that pipe over there. You want to jump down here. You know, make up here. Oh, the ghost isn't here this time. And then there'll be a button you can. Yeah, the ghost isn't. And look, there's all this stuff in here. Just remember to turn your light off. And then jump down here. Watch out for these pipes. Well, they won't do anything, but it'll just make you go the wrong direction. Oh, there we go. This is the bit. This is the bit what is the best. So you want to get your light out. And then this stuff will give you, sometimes it will give you company coins, sometimes it will give you research points. I mean, you want to take this stuff, this flown ore, because get the biggest you can find. Oh, more company coins. You want to get the biggest you can get. Because, you know, the bigger the better. my neck. Empty arms are open. Yeah, watch out for that red stuff. Nice more company coins. And then look, there's these purple RP crystals, research points crystals. There's like you get what I mean. This area is just the best, but it's 0 gravity, so that makes it easier. So you don't have to literally spend like a minute to get up here. And then there's all this up here. And then there's normally these massive, like enormous bits. Like these bits, these ginormous bits are the bits you want to get. They're worth like 60 million. They're not 60 million. Oh yes, I can finally get it. Yeah, just it's worth like a lot. Just maybe 3,000 or more. Depends how much you get. So, say if you got a bigger bag, that would be a lot. My game's gone like really weird then. Don't know. This is the last bit I'm gonna get. But like this bit. Actually now I'll get this bit. Get the biggest bit at last. Okay, yeah, so once you've done that, I forgot to bring a bag. Oh my god, I can't help myself from mining it. Sorry guys, make this video go longer. Like, look at all this. I mean, for some reason I'm not getting that much company coins, but it doesn't matter. So once I swear, if I die right now. So once you're gonna go over here, might watch out for these. There's these crystals that give you crates like these ones. Then there's even more. And then it's that noise, it's so annoying. Alright, go over here. Yeah. Then once you get your bag, you just be careful because this bit's not 0 gravity. And there's a giant and 2 anglerfishes, yeah, there. 1 and 2, yeah, there. So be really careful. And you'll see over there, you want to get to the, oh no. I always get, no, oh, beautiful. I don't know where to go, when to go now. Run over to here. Click one of these buttons. Click quickly. No, go! Yes. And then once you do that, just come over to here, select, click all the buttons, and then boom, nice. And then just do that all over again, and you'll just be like amazing. Like you just have so much money. So hope you enjoyed. Do this glitch to get loads of money. Bye.